you can have a leak up top here, and because of the foam and everything that's hanging off everywhere, you'll find that you have to, if you have a leak over here, you have to dig around it and find exactly where it is. It could be at here, could be over here. Water will just go all the way down like this here. This leak at the light would possibly, because of the foam, because it's going against the shell there, it could leak underneath the foam and end up way over there. So this is how you find leaks. You got to take away the foam. Foam's kind of terrible on some tubs. So we're going to fix that. And how we fix it is we're just draining it right now. So you undo that nut. And this applies to the jets that you have. If your light's leaking, this is how you do the same thing for your jets. And more than likely, if you have one leak like that, where it's leaking around, it's gonna happen everywhere else. So I'll show you how to fix that. Yeah, there we pop the light out. We're just gonna undo that nut. So after you get that light out, make sure you clean up all around the sides of it, all the silicone that's built up on it, and just clean it all up. So get some silicone, put it around. Now this is a bigger one, so you got to put a little bit more. Now if it's a smaller jet, just put a little bit. So we're going to be generous with this silicone. Oh. Had a good new light. The other one was cracked. Now, because we got the brand new one, brand new gasket, no cracks. For this, if it's an older one, you can put lots in there, but ours broke, so here it's brand new. So I just want a little bit. If you put too much, this gasket will, once you tighten it up, the gasket will just push out. So close as you can to it. Just put a small amount all the way around. You know, use your finger too. So just pushing it in the corner all the way around. Gives it that little extra little something. Okay. And make sure this is all cleaned up. Give it a little turn. So I got the new nut. It's good to have somebody on the other side to hold it. Or once you get it going like this, just grab the light itself. Let's tighten that up. So with your other hand, just grab the inside here while you're turning it. So the gasket doesn't. And then look inside to see if the gasket's coming out. There we go, we got it in. So hand tight. If you want to use a tool on that, just give it like, you know, maybe a half a turn on that. But because it's brand new, shouldn't have to use a tool. Use your hand. But you can use a tool on there. Just give it a little tweak. Give it as hard as you can. Tighten it with hand. And then use a tool. You don't want that gasket popping out. Sometimes if you over tighten it, the gasket will all push out right here. Now, if that happens for you, because you put too much silicone, but if it does happen, just take that gasket out and then put more silicone and just squeeze it and then just clean off the silicone like that. It'll act as the gasket that was wrecked. Okay. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button down below, and then we'll see you on the next one.